This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 20th of August. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it and transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, we've got a decision to make here. When we broke down from this head and shoulders on Solana, it was either we were going to go down to the target in the 119 area, or we were going to reject back up into the high in the 163.66 area, and it's still one or the other. That decision hasn't been made yet. We've seen a decent rally off the lows. It's come back up to the other 12. It needs to go up another 3.5 to get over this right shoulder high at 152.17. It hasn't done that yet. It might be going to. Yesterday we had a couple of buy signals on the hourly charts. We had hourly RSI 5. Now we've got an hourly RSI 5 sell signal, although that's already made most of the way to the target. Bitcoin yesterday, again on the hourly chart, we had an RSI 14 buy signal fix. That's now made target. And if this is a flag, then it's breaking up. Now it could still make a lower low or come back and retest this low. I'm liking this as a flag, however, that does head up and make this target. We will see how it goes, but I think the if we break up and make this target directly, then we're probably going to fail the Solana IHS. As soon as we fail the Solana IHS, then we've got to target back at 163.66, and that decision is likely made as to whether it heads down to 119 or goes to 163. That will be a disappointment for me because I was rather hoping to get 119 as a good buying opportunity. But to be honest, on the bigger picture, this is a potentially bullish pattern because I've also drawn it as a flag. Bitcoin is unambiguously a bullish pattern. On Ethereum, we've still got a nice looking head and shoulders forming here, and it is very nice. This could break down, but equally this could just fail back up into the highs too, and it wouldn't even be a failure of a head and shoulders because it hasn't broken down yet. We will see, but we've got a decision to make, and we're likely to see that decision made in all probability today, or at least if we're breaking up, we're going to see that today, because we're not far away. It wouldn't take an awful lot more to go up, retest these highs on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and fail the head and shoulders on Solana and set up that target at 163.66. So we will see how it goes. I would prefer to see the downside option. I think I'd go 60-40. The upside option is probably more likely at this stage. We will see. On the bigger picture, of course, this is a likely bull flag. I would note that yesterday we broke over the daily middle band on Bitcoin. That needs to confirm today, but if it does, that's bullish. Ethereum is still testing the daily middle band, and Solana. Solana, we've seen a break up over it intraday, but we closed below it. So Bitcoin's the most bullish as it has been all week. If Solana and Ethereum also break over their daily middle bands, that's going to be bullish. Chances are we'll see a retest of 163.66 next on Solana. I wouldn't be seeing any particularly obvious reason to think that we wouldn't continue going up. We will see. This isn't a bad overall in large flag. Break up over 193 takes us to 209, and very possibly sets us seriously onto the road back to a retest of the all-time high at 259. Which I'm expecting to see at some point in the next few months. We'll see how it goes, guys. But we've got a decision to make today. That high, that right shoulder high on Solana is at 152.17. As soon as that breaks, even by a tick, that head and shoulders has failed. And normally I would expect to see 163.66 as the next big target. And I think I'll be looking for that here. In terms of negative divergence, we've got an RSI 5 sell signal on the hourly chart on here on Solana, which is mostly played out. Really, this looks pretty neutral. So with a slight bias to the upside, we'll see how it goes. All right, cheers. No worries. I'll have everything posted as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys later.